Hey guys, I'm going to come on here and do a quick video and show you how I'm going to update my hot cocoa bar. So I hope you guys like it. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up and let's get started. So I have this right now hot cocoa bar stein that I picked up at Bargain Hunt. It was $1. And then I have this really cute cake stand that I picked up at Bargain Hunt for $3. And then I have these salt and pepper shakers from the Dollar Tree. They were $1 each. So I've got caramel cocoa in this one, cinnamon sugar in here to go on top of the cocoa. I have the little marshmallows in here, candy canes, and then I have this really cute Christmas tree that I picked up at the thrift store, and it was $2. So I'm going to keep all of that. I like the way that that is set up, so I'm going to leave that there. So I picked up a really cute sign at Target. Couldn't think. I got this at Target. It was $3, and so I like this one better, so I'm going to change that out. And it goes in, I have red and white theme decor this year, so it's got the red and white ribbon with the bell on it, and I just think it's really cute. And then it's got black, and my kitchen is done in black, so that matches perfectly. So I'm going to change that. And then over here I have this jar that I keep hot cocoa in for the Keurig, the K-cups. And I just didn't think it was very festive, so I found this really cute sleigh at the thrift store, and it was $2, and it just needed a good cleaning up. So I came home and spray painted it and got that ready. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace this jar with this sleigh. So I'm going to take out some of these cups and place them in here. I'm going to put about 4 and then we're going to take that out. So this will even go right there perfectly. So I've got the K-cups there, and then I have some more goodies that I picked up at Target. I have this hot double chocolate hot cocoa from Starbucks. And these were, sorry about that glare, these were $1.25 a pack. So I'm going to set this right in here. Got 2 of these for my 2 little munchkins. And then I picked up a couple of these marshmallow toppers that you put in your cup when you're drinking your hot chocolate. So I'm going to set those right in there. I picked up these were 3 for $5. I ended up getting more, but I have the other ones that I'm going to be giving in some gifts. So I'm just going to put 2 in here now. So this one has candy cane on it, hot cocoa toppers, peppermint snowflake, and these are so cute. So I got one like that. And then I got the regular one without the peppermint flavor, and it's just got the little snow crystals on it. So that will go in there. I think I'll put the red one in front. And then I'm going to take a couple of my candy canes and stick those. Oops. I'm going to stick those right there on the side. And then we are done. So, oops, I'm going to set that right there. So this ends up being the final change to my hot cocoa bar, and I love the way that it turned out. I hope that you guys like it. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you soon. Oh, one more thing I forgot. I washed my, I just emptied my dishwasher. So I got my new cups from the Dollar Tree, so that will go there. Get your jingle on. But I also picked up a couple of more cups. Let me show you these that I got at Marshall's. And these are wider, So they will fit perfectly for these marshmallow toppers. So once you put your hot cocoa in, that will fit in there perfectly. So this one on the inside says Seasons Greetings. And isn't that adorable, guys? Let's see. And then it's got the cute little snowflakes on the inside. And Portobello by Inspire. So I've got that one with the kitty cat. This one on the inside says Happy Holidays. And it's got the puppy dog. And those are so cute. So I may actually put that on here for now. And that's it, guys. Oh, well, let me fix this sleigh right quick. Sorry. Fix this back. Sorry, I got a little sniffles this morning from the weather. Okay, so that is going to be the end, guys. And I hope that you give this video a thumbs up. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.